Understanding the phrase, canning workshop. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, canning workshop. This is a commonly used term, but it can be a bit confusing for English learners. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's understand the word, canning. Canning is a method of preserving food in which the food contents are processed and sealed in an airtight container. This process typically involves heating to kill microbes and sealing to prevent other microbes from entering and spoiling the food. Now, let's look at the word, workshop. A workshop can be a physical place, like a room or building, but it also refers to an educational or instructional session where people gather to learn a specific skill or craft. In our context, a workshop would be a session where participants learn and practice the skills of canning. Combining these two concepts, a canning workshop is an event where people learn about and practice the art of canning food. These workshops often include demonstrations on how to can different types of foods, hands-on practice sessions, and tips on best practices for food safety and storage. Attending a canning workshop can be beneficial for various reasons. It's a great opportunity to learn a valuable skill, meet people with similar interests, and even prepare homemade preserves that are healthier and potentially more cost-effective than store-bought ones. We hope this video has helped clarify what a canning workshop is and why it might be interesting to you. Remember, learning new terms and phrases not only enhances your language skills but also broadens your understanding of different cultures and practices. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.